In this session, we're going to provide a walkthrough of CyberArk Alero, a new solution that focuses on providing secure and quick access to CyberArk for remote vendors. This video will cover a scenario on how Alero complements CyberArk core privileged access security by enabling remote vendors to connect to critical assets without the need for VPNs, agents, or credentials. The standard use case for Alero starts with organizations that are using CyberArk to manage critical internal systems and IT infrastructure. These are organizations that also have remote vendors that need access to these critical systems in order to do their jobs, maintain systems, manage data, etc. Today's ideal solution for managing remote vendor access is to provision secure access while also maintaining operational simplicity for administrators and end users. This means a desire to no longer rely on VPNs, which grant sweeping network access, agents, which can be bulky and difficult to manage, or passwords, which have proven to be a weak link in authentication processes. CyberArk Alero is a SaaS-based solution that is managed in the cloud by CyberArk. The Alero Connector is installed alongside CyberArk Core Privileged Access Security. Alero does not require VPNs, agents, or passwords in order to provide secure access. Alero leverages CyberArk Core Privileged Access Security for the password vaulting and session management once a user is authenticated, as well as the HTML5 gateway for secure web-based sessions. A typical workflow looks something like this. First, a remote user or vendor will log into their workstation and go to the Alero web-based portal, where a unique QR code is generated and shown on the screen. They then open up the Alero mobile application, which is available for download on the App Store and Google Play. The phone simultaneously scans the QR code as well as authenticates the remote user using biometric matching, either via face scan or fingerprint, to provide access to the specific target that the user needs access to. The user's biometric data is securely stored on the mobile device without transferring this data externally. The now authenticated user is provisioned to CyberArk, where they see only the systems that they require access to for their jobs. The CyberArk Alero Cloud communicates with the Alero Connector that is placed behind the firewall, alongside the core privileged access security solution. Credentials are not shared nor exposed to external vendors. The Alero Connector creates a reverse HTTPS tunnel with the CyberArk Alero Cloud platform, which in turn brokers the connection between the remote vendor and the internal CyberArk privileged session management platform. The tunnel traffic connection is fully encrypted from end to end. The user is provisioned access just in time to access only the resources that they need for only the time that they need it for. Users are automatically provisioned, ultimately deprovisioned upon use. The remote user then has access to the systems within the CyberArk solution that they need access to, and all sessions are automatically recorded and monitored for anomalous behavior. For more information, please visit the Alero product page on CyberArk.com.